Hey YouTube, welcome back to Daddy's Workshop. Today on the truck, sorry, today I got truck on the mind. Today on the channel, this is what we're working on. So if you're not really familiar with what I have here, this is called an SPC control arm. This is what it looks like in all of its glory. And this is what the bushings look like when you go ahead and you drill them out. And let me tell you what, I went out of my way. I bought one of these fancy C-clamps. I'll go ahead and link it down below. From Amazon, and it was 35 bucks. It was great. It did an amazing job. The problem that I really have with it is it just wasn't strong enough, and no matter how many bolts I went ahead and broke and how many brand new sockets I went ahead and bought, I still couldn't get that sucker to move. So the only way I've been able to get it to go ahead and move is to drill it out like you've seen I've done right here. I actually went to Lowe's and found this threaded insert. It cost me about $9, and I took my lathe and I hollowed a little bit of it out. And I'd show you sort of what I did, and there we go, got it off. So you can kind of see in there, I basically cut away some of the threads so that it would fit on here just like so. It actually fits on a little bit better, but in order to really get that to sit on there snugly, I had to cut this off of the outer piece. That's actually what's sitting right here and here. So this is what I've had to do. I've had to take a drill with the drill bit. This guy right here, I don't remember what size he might be, at 3/8. I'm not really sure. And then I took a step bit and I went ahead and I cut all the way around this entire thing. You can actually see the pieces in there. And then when I was done doing that, I went ahead and took my press, set up various different plates on it. As you can see from here, even went ahead and grabbed a couple of sockets that I actually shoved in there. They would actually fit on here just like so. And when they got to one point, I would go ahead and take another socket that was similar to this, and then I would push on that, and that's how I ended up getting all this out. So I'm telling all of this to tell you that I got these arms for a phenomenal deal. They're normally 800 bucks a piece. I paid 60 for them, but their bushings were destroyed. But the ball joints, as you can see on them, they're nice and tight. They're not really giving me any issues, right? So I'm going to go ahead and take them. And when the truck goes up to 35s, which she's sitting at 33s right now, I'll go ahead and I'll drop these guys on at the same time. But right now it's a preparation thing. I'm just working on stuff to get things done. Anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and drop a hello. Hope everybody's doing well. Anyways, if you guys like this kind of content, please go ahead and drop a like below. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them on down. And as always, have a fantastic week. Peace.